This hammer is about 6.5 inches long, and it looks like it's chrome plated. It's a little claw hammer. Now, it's a neat little thing. It's got tools up here in the handle. There's 5 little tools. There's a awl, there's a file, there's a wood chisel, screwdriver, and this is look like a screw on a drill bit. I guess you start your screw with that. I don't know. Now, this handle unscrews, and then it makes a handle for any of your tools that you want to use. You stick it in there, and it'll lock in place. Locks in place, and I haven't got it locked yet, but it does lock in place. Don't think I got it in there. Now I got it in. Anyway, it locks in place, makes a good handle. Well, that's a good strong handle. And like I say, it's chrome plated. Got 5 tools with it. The claw hammer. And you'll always have your tools, because they'll be right here in this handle. Go right back in there very neatly. You'll always have them. Well, get back in there. Anyway, it's got a cap to go on it. Very nice little hammer.